Groovy was the first guy I kissed in the house, and according to him, he said I was the first girl he kissed. Like, even he and Beauty, they were already doing, but they didn't kiss. Like, they were just we were playing a game, truth or dare. Elebaye now dared Groovy to kiss me. So even with the Groovy thing, I know the Groovy and fine boy, yes, but then for us, I know they dread them. Like, I'm not even the look at, but I was just trying to do beautiful boy, strawberry boy, a fine boy, just a hype man like that. And even when we came downstairs, I was not still like, it was Amaka. It's not me say I won't talk to him for Amaka. Me and him for not do, because that was when I now had to be going close to him, wanting to talk to him about whom he was already catching feelings, even before me catching feelings. And I'll be talking to him, the way he'll be looking at me like, a fine boy cannot be looking at me like that, and I'm doing, no.